Gun Camera 101. This is not necessarily why I bought a GoPro, but it works. Test firing number 2. 1, 2, 3. Now all I need is some prey. Yeah, if I had a wasp on a bloom.
Don't get the bee
No, I don't want no bees.
or butterflies.
I'm not a butterfly. You got a dog outside, I didn't notice that.
I don't know. Let's go over there and see if we can find something. I just want to see it happen.
I had a ant. I got an ant crawling up here.
Whoa, here's a lizard right here on the side, but I don't want to kill it.
No, no, hell no. I'll leave him alone.
Look at the size of that pup.
Yeah.
There's gotta be something evil in this yard.
How about that? That leaf is pissing me off.
Get a leaf we don't like, man. Oh wait.
I was gonna say, yeah, point me that one out.
Shoot one of those old dead blooms off it.
Off of what? Off the rose?
See those dead blooms up there?
Yeah. Shooting a dead bloom.
You gonna shoot that with Jeff?
I'm just curious about how far it's lethal. Pretty far.
Yeah. Stand where you are and shoot that big one off the top over there.
Yeah, it's too far.
Yeah.
But it looks like about 3 feet.
Yeah.
Would probably do a fly.
Yeah.
If I could find a fly. How come there's no bugs in this yard?
The one time you want bugs.
Why are there no bugs in this yard?
Thank you, Jeff.
Yeah.
We couldn't even find anything to experiment on. Take it right in the shadow.
I know it. I love that. Real world test. I think I heard him.
Good. Good. Good job, Dad.